Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a curl box unboxing plus a slash review of the products. So I'm going to be trying them on cameras and showing you guys what I got in my March's curl box. So if you don't know what curl box is a monthly subscription where you get natural hair products shipped to your door every month for a total of $25 a month. The products is $20 and then $5 shipping. I have been enrolled in curl box for almost, I don't know, going on 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. This, when you open the box, you receive items like this in it. You get the, I'm sorry, not items like this. You get pamphlets in your box. Woo, dropping everything. Pamphlets in your box, and it kind of goes off of what products are in the box. So this month I got Luster's pink. We got the Luster pink box. So I got Luster's pink shea butter and coconut oil for natural textured hair, sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. We also got the shea butter coconut oil moisturizing and smoothing conditioner. We got the curl popping defining gel, which I'm gonna try this out for a wash and go, but I'll tell you now that I am concerned because this is a very thick like gel. So I don't know how this is gonna do on my hair for a wash and go, but we'll try it and see. And you also got the shea butter and coconut oil super moisturizing curl definer. This is like a cream. This is like a leave-in conditioner. And they also sent in a bonus of the notorious pink lotion. So this is the pink oil moisturizer hair lotion. I remember this when I was a little girl. This has been around for 50 years. So I remember using this as a little girl when mama used to plait my hair, or she would hot comb my hair. She would use this. So it's still the same smell, the same product, just the pink lotion. So I'm gonna give these products a try today. So if you wanna see my thoughts on these products, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
All right, so I went ahead and rinsed my hair, wet my hair in the actual sink. I usually do film in the shower, but I just didn't feel like doing all that today. So I'm going to be using the, like I said, the sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. This is the consistency of it. Ugh. It's like that. It's very creamy, very creamy. And it smells almost like medicine to me. It's what I come across. It smells like to me is medicine. And I'm going to just work this in. You guys know I start from the actual roots and I work my way down. I got a new mic, so hopefully my voice sounds more clear for my videos. I'm trying to improve it for you guys. So if you see it on my shirt, it's because it's new. Off top, this one, this does feel pretty good on my hair. I really can't never tell. What I look for right now in a shampoo is that it lathers really well. I like a lot of lather in my shampoos, and I want it to be moisturizing but clarifying. And this one actually claims that. It's salt-free moisturizing shampoo. It's clarifying and hydrating. So we shall see once I rinse it out, you know, how my hair feels, because that's the actual true test of how it feels when it's all said and done. All right, so the moment of truth is, now that the shampoo is all rinsed out, my hair, it does not feel moisturized at all, but it does feel clean. So honestly, I said I look for both a very moisturizing shampoo and a clarifying shampoo. I have yet to find one that claims to do both and actually do both. So it's usually one or the other. My hair does feel stripped, so I'm going to, it just feels, you know, just very dry and stripped. My hair was very dirty though. It was on an old washing up that needs to be washed out. So I'm going to be using now the moisturizing and smoothing conditioner. Hopefully this applies all the moisture back into my hair. But this is the consistency of the actual conditioner. Just, you know, a normal creamy conditioner. So hopefully this gives me what I need. And I always look for slip. Honestly, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, this conditioner smells amazing. Okay, so I went ahead and got some clips too. So I'm going to go ahead and take my shower comb, and this is the moment of truth on if I can easily detangle my hair or if it's not easy to detangle. Number one, I like to do this like on soaking wet hair, so my hair is not soaking wet like I normally like it, but it is detangling. Oh, okay. Okay then. This is real time. I didn't want to speed this part up so you guys can see the true test of detangling. And this is not with my hair soaking wet like I normally like, but this section is completely detangled. So I am happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the rest of my hair off camera just for the time's sake of this video. My phone keeps ringing, and then I'll be back. All right guys, so I am ready to style my hair. That was a lot, having to come here, wash, go rinse, come back, condition, go rinse, come back, and now style. So I don't know if I'll do this again. I might just start doing my hair really back in the shower and just, you know, do my voiceovers. My hair feels really, really good now that I rinsed the conditioner out my hair. I'm going to go ahead and apply this super moisturizing curl definer. This is a curl defining cream. You could probably use this for, like, it's not super thick too. That's another thing that I like. I like a thick and creamy one, but this one feels pretty good. I like the consistency of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair. I think I'm gonna do a middle part again. I did a side part last week and I really didn't care for it, so I think I'm gonna go back to my middle part and apply a good amount of this moisturizer into my hair, especially on my ends because it's the oldest part of my hair and I really want that to be moisturized. I usually put oil in my wash and goes, but I'm not today because it's in my other bathroom, which is on the whole other side of the house, and I'm just too lazy to go get it. So, oh, okay. Well, this is already moisturizing. I mean, not more. Well, it's moisturizing, but it's definitely defining my curls. What? Wow, I was not expecting that. What? What? This says that you can do a wash and go with this cream. What? Let me find. Y'all, it's like literally defined my curls. It's so pretty. But I don't know if it's gonna give me hold, so I'm not gonna trust it. I'm gonna just put the defining cream in my hair and then move to the other side. And then I'm going to go in and try out the gel that I'm like kind of suspect about, because I don't think this gel is going to do very good in my hair, honestly, because it's so thick. But we're gonna try it out today. That's what this is about, doing a review, right? So that's what I'm going to do. Like seriously, I feel like I can just go ahead and stop here and go sit under the dryer. This did such a good job. Like seriously, wow. Y'all, like, I don't think y'all can see. Y'all can't see it from all the way back there. So I gotta show y'all how much this defined my curl. Look at, like, seriously, sis. Oh my God. Wow. Do y'all see that definition? And the tameness on my curls? All right, so now that you guys see and know how I feel about this twist defining cream, I thought it was literally just for a twist out, but on the directions it says you can use it for a wash and go as well. So I'm gonna go a little further and apply the curl popping defining gel. So this is for shiny wash and go styles. What? So this is for a wash and go? It doesn't say for a twist out or anything like that. It says this special formula, this superior formula provides a unique flexible hold for incredible well-defined shiny wash and go styles. It glides on easily and clings to curls without buildup, excessive crunchiness, or flakes. Okay, Luster, let's see. Y'all, it's just so thick. Do y'all see that? It's like a thick. It's like a Vaseline thick, like seriously. Do you see that? It's not moving at all. There it goes. But let's go ahead and rub this in. Y'all, it's so thick. Like, I don't think I've ever used a gel this thick before. Like, I'm not even like kidding. It's not sticky, it's just so, okay. Y'all get it, y'all get how thick it is. Let me just go ahead and apply it to my hair. I really just don't think it's gonna do good though. I don't have high hopes for it. Okay, Luster. I don't think that these two products are meant for each other because my hair is beating up so bad. Look at the white beads on my hair. I don't know if you can see it. Do you see the white beads on my hair? Probably should have just stuck with the Twisted Finding Cream and did a wash and go with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and still attempt it. Still attempt this wash and go. I just don't know because I don't want no buildup, but we're gonna keep going. Okay, well, looks a lot better. Maybe because I needed some more product on my hair, but now I have my high hopes back. So let's do this side real quick and then I will be right back. Okay, wow. I have a smile back on my face because I was a little suspect. I was suspect, sis. It was suspect around here. I wasn't sure how my hair was gonna come out with the white beads, but as I added more product on sections of hair, it did much better and the beads are gone. I have a little bit here, but I'm confident that this is gonna dry up the way it's supposed to. So far, so good. I'm excited about these products and I will go ahead and let my hair air dry for about 6 or 7 hours and then I will come back and show you guys tomorrow, as I always do, what my hair looks like on day 1. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is day 1 of my hair. I actually love my hair a lot, actually. There was a gel cast on my hair. I literally just sprayed some, it was the Uncle Funky's Daughter Glossy Oil Sheen spray or whatever, and I sprayed that on my hair. Then I pineappled it, got dressed, took my hair down, and this is what I got. So I am very pleased with these products. My curl definition is there. My hair definitely does feel moisturized. And it looks really good to say day 1. So I have volume, I have definition, I have everything I could ask for in a wash and go. So I am super excited about these products. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to always give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.